Isang mapagpalang pagkakataon po na tayo muling nagtipon-tipon upang magdiwang na isa na namang mahalagang okasyon sa ating kapatiran. Bilang club president ng Metro Elite Eagles Club, ako po ay labis na natutuwa at nasasabik sa araw na ito sapagkat atin pong tatanggapin ang ating bagong miyembro ng buong pusong suporta sa mga adhikain at layunin ng The Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles.
Welcome to the Fraternal Order of Eagles Philippine Eagles, United Nabotas Alliance Eagles Club, the youngest Eagles Club as of this moment, 5:59 in the afternoon, July 28, 2024. Congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay ang lahat!
Having consciously subscribed to the Constitution and the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles, and aware responsibility to my God and country, do hereby pledge to promote and defend at all times said Constitution and Eagles Magna Carta and its ideals to the best of my ability and within my power and capacity. So help me God.
Chartering and induction is now called to adjourn.
Mabuhay ang lahat!